I'll try to be quick and short here. So, how are you gonna make the most like of alt season? So first of all, how did we figure out the targets, and then how you sell on it? So for example, I will take DGB for an example here, as I posted it many times, and I also explained to it in like the charts, and it's also like from the alts they showed us like we're in alt season. So one of the main like signals was like the candles of the 3D. Like we're right now in a 3 day candles, so you can see they're going like four candles and five now on a 3 day candle. That's very bullish. So now you can see these resistance areas, right? See, this always happened out season. So if you go here, we compare it to the previous out seasons. For example, you see here, this was one. It's so similar to right now, and then the second. All right. What is this basically doing right now? It's just breaking some resistance area and warming up. And then some people might sell here, and they're gonna regret it by like these jumps. Now, how are you gonna make most of it if you want to zigzag on the way? So now if we now we're right here, which like I think we're right here. Um, so we're gonna break it. So we're gonna like combine three candles, and we're gonna break. We're gonna skip this one, and we're gonna go all the way to this one. So that's exactly here for DV. That's what I did here. So I think we're gonna skip this one, and we're gonna go all the way straight to this one. So that's target one. So that's how you make some use of it. And then it's always 20-30% drop, meaning it will go all the way here. It will test support level around this area. So if we take and we check with the percent level, so it's around 20%, and it's possible to go even higher, like to this level, like 30%. So this is how you're gonna rebuy, but always don't be greedy on Altseason in buying. So you want to make sure like you're holding the coin. So if I sold here, I will straight away buy after 10%, 20%, which is like order you already set. You don't wait for it, so that you make sure you're in the in the ship when it goes up. So like here, for example, again. So when we done from this, then we tested again this one. Then we flew really high. Now we tested like almost the final resistance, and then after it, we got dropped another 20%. So if you see here, if you see this level, it's like 30 to 40% down. So what we did tested, we tested the support level. So this always happens, and then another one. Then we go all time high. This also happened here. One, this one, two, three. Skip the third one. Went all the way to that one, and then boom to this one, and then all the way down. 40% down. You can see here. It's like 40% down. So then move another level. Then also here. So it's always happens. Just the market cycle, guys. So this is like for all the coins. It's not just DGB. This concept, this logic belongs to all the coins, all the charts. All the charts I made were about like that's the logic behind it. So if we did here and we finished from here in a 40%, 30%, then what happens? Happens in the next resistance zone. So you go you go ahead and you put it here. So that will be one, and we might skip it to this one. So this is a major one here. This angle will be a resistance, strong resistance one. So that's I put it there, and then and so on the third one, and then from the third one, you don't want to risk it. So from here, I might not risk it. I might just like hold. Even if it drops 30%, is like better than just missing that shot of 200%, like 10x. So that basically belongs to all coins, like even here for XVG. So you see here like one, two, but the third one will be bigger. So it doesn't mean we did this resistance level and the second resistance level we're also gonna stop here. No, it might go all the way and break this one, or it stops on it. It's most likely it goes a bit higher. So it's like to 110, and it stays on this resistance level, and then on the second major one will be this one, which is 220, and then from there it's just like moonshot. So this guy's concept belongs to all the coins. So I hope this explains it better. And all the targets are in spreadsheet and my trading view charts, also in Telegram and Discord. So I hope you guys find this useful. And I try to be short and quick. Thank you.